The Amadeus 9990 is a high-quality self-propelled peanut combine built for strong and reliable performance. It is designed to work efficiently even in tough field conditions. The machine is powered by a powerful John Deere turbocharged engine, which helps it deliver consistent results. Its design focuses on the operator, making it easier and more comfortable to use while improving productivity. Made specifically for peanut harvesting, the Amadeus 9990 provides excellent harvesting capacity. It can achieve up to 25% better efficiency with improved residue handling and faster unloading. The large, modern cab offers advanced technology and comfort for long working hours. The Bell Nexus is a hybrid electric VTOL aircraft first shown on January 7, 2019 at CES. It features 6 large ducted fans, 3 on each side, for vertical and forward flight. The middle rotors are on the main high wing, and the fans can tilt from vertical to horizontal for directional thrust. Landing skids have small wheels for easy movement. 2 versions are planned, one for a pilot and a passenger, and another for 6 passengers. The current model seats a pilot and 4 passengers. It can reach 155 knots, 288 kilometers per hour, fly 130 nautical miles, 241 kilometers, weighs 6,000 pounds, and fits in a 40 x 40 feet space. BMW Motorrad's Vision Next 100 provides a glimpse into the future of motorcycles, imagining their design 100 years from now. While it's not a direct prediction, the concept showcases a bold vision for the next generations of bikes. The Vision Next 100 features composite elastic frames that replace traditional suspension and steering forks, alongside self-balancing gyroscopes and augmented reality visors. With AI-powered safety systems, it suggests that helmets may no longer be necessary. More of a daydream than a definitive plan, this concept explores how transportation could evolve in the distant future. The Butterfly iQ3 is a small, handheld ultrasound device that gives you hospital-quality images right at your fingertips. It uses advanced chip technology to deliver faster processing and clearer 3D scans of the heart, lungs, and other organs. The Black Ops 4x4 CJ7 is a rugged off-road vehicle built to tackle challenging terrains while delivering an exciting driving experience. Built on the classic Jeep CJ7 platform, it features a powerful V8 engine, heavy-duty suspension, and large tires, making it ideal for serious off-road enthusiasts. Starting at $50,000, the Black Ops CJ7 offers full customization, allowing buyers to upgrade with winches, lighting systems, and comfort features. Recent improvements have increased its durability with a reinforced chassis and better off-road performance to handle even the toughest conditions. Its 4x4 system ensures outstanding traction, and the vehicle combines strength with style. Whether you're navigating mountain trails or muddy paths, the Black Ops CJ7 promises a thrilling ride that can conquer any challenge. The Canoe pickup truck is a fresh take on compact trucks, blending electric power with a highly adaptable design. Built on a modular electric platform, it maximizes interior space, making it equally suited for work projects, outdoor adventures, or everyday driving. It delivers between 200 and 350 horsepower and offers a driving range of around 200 miles, giving you both strength and efficiency for a variety of tasks. Thanks to DC fast charging, the battery can go from 20% to 80% in just 28 minutes, so you spend less time waiting and more time on the move. The Madhaihi CityMate High is a unique electric ride that blends the features of a skateboard and a motorcycle. It's designed to be a fun and simple way to travel, whether you're commuting to work or just cruising around town. With 2 strong electric motors, it can reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour and travel up to 25 miles on a single charge. Its self-balancing system makes it easy to ride, even for beginners. This eco-friendly vehicle is a great option for anyone looking for a convenient and exciting way to get around, while also reducing their carbon footprint and staying active. The Car Mover XL is an electric lift designed to move vehicles weighing up to 2.2 tons. It is highly useful in service stations, parking lots, museums, and anywhere cars need to be moved regularly. The lift can raise vehicles completely off the ground, reaching a height of about 10 centimeters. This is especially helpful if the car's handbrake is on or if the wheels are locked due to a malfunction. The Car Mover XL is versatile enough to handle large vehicles, including the Audi Q7, which is over 5 meters long. This makes it an ideal solution for handling various vehicle sizes. The lift offers an efficient and safe way to move cars, helping to save time and avoid accidents. Pricing for the Car Mover XL is available upon request, depending on the specific requirements of the customer. It is designed to make vehicle movement easy and hassle-free in environments where cars need to be relocated frequently. Whether it's a busy parking lot or a service station, the Car Mover XL provides a reliable and effective solution. The Caspier Trike V8 is a unique and exciting three-wheeler built for thrill seekers. Powered by a mighty V8 engine, it produces 500 horsepower and reaches speeds of up to 130 miles per hour. Perfect for solo riders, this trike combines comfort with a bold, eye-catching design. With a full tank, it offers a range of 250 miles, making it ideal for long highway adventures. Its aerodynamic frame ensures a smooth, fast ride, while the large rear wheels provide excellent grip and stability. Priced at about $80,000, the Caspier Trike V8 is a luxury vehicle designed for those who want adventure and love to stand out. Experience a ride like no other. The Caterham 170R is a lightweight, high-performance sports car built for an exciting driving experience. Weighing just 440 kilograms, it's one of the lightest cars in the world, making it incredibly agile on both tracks and roads. Powered by a 606cc turbocharged engine, the 170R offers a great balance of speed and handling. Its simple, minimalist design focuses on the driving experience, with a basic interior and manual transmission for a pure connection between driver and car. The car also features a sport-tuned suspension for improved cornering and overall performance. Priced at around £25,000, the Caterham 170R is a thrilling, no-frills sports car that guarantees excitement with every drive. The Chevrolet Chaparral 2X VGT is a futuristic concept car created for the Gran Turismo video game, representing the future of motorsports with its bold design inspired by aerospace technology. Powered by laser energy, the car can reach speeds of up to 240 per hour. The driver lies flat in a prone position, reducing drag and increasing speed. Its sleek, aerodynamic body and advanced engineering push the boundaries of automotive design. While it's only a concept for virtual racing and not available for purchase, the Chaparral 2X VGT sparks the imagination of car enthusiasts with its impressive performance and innovative features. The 300SL Roadster Junior car is a dream come true for car lovers, especially those who admire classic designs. This small car is a carefully made replica of the legendary Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing, built at a drivable 2/3 scale. Even though it is smaller, it stays true to the original design and captures almost every detail that made the real car famous. The body is made from high-quality fiberglass with a strong stainless steel frame, giving it both style and durability. Orbit Space Rider is a new reusable space laboratory being developed by Europe, with its first launch planned for 2027. It is an uncrewed spacecraft about the size of 2 minivans, designed to stay in low Earth orbit for up to 2 months at a time. During its mission, Space Rider will carry up to 600 kilograms of cargo and perform important experiments in areas such as medicine, biology, and physical sciences. These experiments will help scientists better understand how materials, medicines, and living cells behave in space. The Rezvani Vengeance Military Edition is a heavily armored SUV that looks like something from a video game, but is built for real-life danger. It is based on the Cadillac Escalade, but almost everything has been upgraded for protection and survival. The vehicle is covered in full bulletproof ballistic armor and has special protection underneath to help resist explosions. It also comes with military-grade run-flat tires so it can keep moving even if the tires are damaged. To stop forced entry, the door handles are electrified, making it harder for attackers to get inside. Rheinmetall Ermine is a new family of modern military vehicles designed to be flexible, quiet, and highly efficient in the field. These vehicles use a smart hybrid system that combines a traditional diesel engine with an electric drive. This allows the Ermine to move silently in electric mode, which is very useful during stealth missions where noise and heat must be kept to a minimum to avoid detection.